Are you a Florida landlord trying to figure out how to fill out a 3-day notice? This video will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you avoid costly mistakes. We'll also share how you can serve it properly to stay compliant with Florida law. Let's get started. What is a 3-day notice? A 3-day notice is the first step in the Florida eviction process for non-payment of rent. It informs the tenant they have 3 business days to pay the overdue rent or vacate the property. This notice must be completed correctly and served properly to be valid in court. How to fill out the 3-day notice. To fill out a 3-day notice in Florida, follow these steps carefully. Tenant information. Include the full name of each adult listed on the lease. Property address. Write the full address, including apartment or unit number, city, and state. Amount owed. Enter only the rent amount. Do not include late fees or any other charges. Dates. Clearly write the start and end date for the 3-day notice period. Remember, the day of posting, weekends, and legal holidays are not counted. Serving the notice. Once your notice is complete, you must serve it properly. Florida law allows 3 methods of delivery. Hand deliver the notice to the tenant. Post it on the front door if the tenant isn't available. Mail it, though be aware that mailing may extend the response time. Always keep a copy of the notice and proof of how it was delivered. Delivery options. Hand deliver, post on door, or mail. What happens next? If the tenant pays the rent within the 3-day notice period, the eviction process ends. If they don't, your next step is to file an eviction complaint with the court. Remember, this step must follow the correct legal process. Important notice. This is a non-attorney service dedicated to helping Florida landlords with low-cost evictions. We cannot tell you how to testify in court or represent you in legal proceedings. If your case is contested, we can refer you to excellent attorneys. We assist with forms and filing only, not a law practice. Need help completing your 3-day notice or delivery of the notice? We're here to make the process simple and affordable. Call us today for a free consultation. 727-475-4769.